Once we make cross to top yellow, we need to make this step to make similar color on top. Then we need to check the corner to color. This cube is not correct corner because of red. We need to do this step to correct the corner. Now is correct. Then this 4 step needs to do correctly for 4 times. Once we see the correct corner like this, we turn the top to the right like this. We continue the 4 technique 4 times. As we see 2 corners left on top. Then we do the 4 steps 4 times technique. Rotate the top. Continue like this. Then finally we did it. Please subscribe for more videos.